Welcome back, Jesu Bulldogs. It's Naturalist Marty. I hope you had success with last week's nature challenge looking for that coltsfoot wildflower. This new challenge goes out to Harper and Quinn in honor of Viv. Your new challenge is to find a male mallard. It's a duck, super colorful because its plumage is in breeding plumage right now. Ducks, waterfowl, songbirds, most of them are getting more and more colorful right now, at least the males. And what you're looking for is a duck with a green head, a white neck band, a yellow bill, very, very orange flipper flapper feet. You gotta look around water too. All right, so head out there and look for a male mallard duck this weekend. Good luck, good luck.